In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom colors to text in your Notion workspace. Changing text color in Notion is a simple way to make your notes easier to scan, highlight important information, or give your workspace a cleaner visual structure. Whether you want to emphasize a key sentence, organize content by category, or just make a page feel more polished, Notion gives you a couple of quick ways to do it. The first method is through the block handle. To do this, move your cursor over the text block you want to edit. As you hover, you'll see the small 6-dot icon appear on the left side of that block. Click that icon to open the block options menu. From there, select Color. Notion will then show you a palette of available color choices. Simply click the color you want, and the text in that block will update right away. This method is especially useful when you want to change the color of an entire block of text at once. It can save time and helps keep formatting consistent across a full line or paragraph. If you're working with headings, callouts, or short notes that need to stand out, this is often the fastest option. The second method is by highlighting specific text. Start by selecting the exact word, phrase, or sentence you want to change. Once the text is highlighted, a floating formatting menu will appear nearby. On that menu, click the A icon. This opens the text color options. From there, choose the color you want and the highlighted text will immediately reflect that selection. This approach works best when you only want to color part of a sentence instead of the entire block. It gives you more precise control and is great for emphasizing keywords, labels, or small details without affecting everything around them. As you apply colors, try to use them intentionally. Too many different colors on one page can make your content harder to read, while a small, consistent set of colors can make your workspace feel much more organized. If you're using colors for meaning, like one color for priorities and another for reminders, keeping that system consistent will make your pages easier to understand at a glance. And that's it. You can either hover over a text block and use the 6-dot menu to change the color for the whole block, or highlight specific text and use the A icon to apply color more precisely. Both methods are quick, easy, and useful depending on how much text you want to format.